More money is being invested in AI than ever before in history. And small entrepreneurs are more broke than ever before. Both are true at the same time. In the first 3 months of 2026, $300 billion was invested in startups worldwide in a single quarter. That's more than the total for any full year before 2018. And 80% of that money went to one place: artificial intelligence. Sounds amazing, right? But the real question is, how many different companies received that money? The answer will surprise you. Just 4 companies received $188 billion of that money, or 65%. OpenAI, Anthropic, xAI, and Waymo. 4 names. 2 out of every $3 invested globally in a quarter went to just these 4 companies. So what about the rest? The thousands of small and new startups. That's where the hidden part of the story comes in. Newly established investment funds. Funds intended to pour money into future small startups only managed to raise $3.6 billion in 2025. That's up from $24 billion in 2021. That's an 85% drop. This means that the money of new investors who would support the next big idea has almost completely dried up. Now let's put these 2 facts side by side. On one hand, the largest AI investment figures in history. On the other hand, an 85% collapse of new funds intended to pour money into new ideas. This isn't a coincidence. It's a consequence of where the money is going. Investors no longer want to take risks. Investing in already massive, already proven, already multi-billion-dollar companies seems far safer than betting on an unknown entrepreneur. So money is accumulating in a few giant companies, while everywhere else is drying up. The result is simple. If you're already a giant like OpenAI or Anthropic, you've never had this much money in front of you. But if you have a new idea, if you're someone trying to start your own company, the doors have never been seen. So the headline "AI funding is dead" is misleading. Funding isn't dead, on the contrary, it's at a historic peak. What's dead is the fair distribution of this money. The system is no longer growing new ideas, but those that have already won. This is a risky picture in the long run, because every great tech company was once a small, unknown, risky startup. If today's system makes that first step impossible, tomorrow's great ideas may die before they're even born. Stay asset.